Frustrated by the ModernExecServer DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. For professional-grade ModernExecServer maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the ModernExecServer, the Modern Execution Server Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of modern application background tasks and execution lifecycle. It facilitates the data link between the shell and the application container, ensuring consistent process manifest for UWP and system apps. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since ModernExecServer DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing ModernExecServer message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Installing an unverified version of ModernExecServer DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing ModernExecServer. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved ModernExecServer Error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.